how to make money selling images online. I'm going to share my top 7 strategies with you, and you'll see how to make between $5 and $500 per image. Hi guys, my name is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and this strategy just blew my mind. I was doing some research on my next video and I stumbled upon this method, and it's absolutely crazy because all you need is a camera, or if you have a good quality smartphone, that's all you need. It's a smartphone. You just need to take some images and essentially upload it to these websites that I'm going to share with you and make money. Okay, so before we're gonna start, let me just tell you or remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. So if you want to enter the $10 giveaway, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to. So if you want to win $10, please do these 4 things right now, and I'm going to uncover the winner of the giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end, and also please check out the links in the description of this video. The number 1 link is my top recommendation for making money online and working from home, and the rest of the links is just my top resources when it comes to working from home and making money online. So please go ahead and check all of these out. And right now let's just jump in straight to the content of this video, how to make money selling images, and these are my top 7 ways. Okay, so let me just share my screen with you right here. So before we're gonna jump into the websites that you're gonna be selling the images on, let me just tell you that for example, if you will live in a city, all you have to do is just go downtown and just, you know, take some images of like some nice buildings, maybe some iconic buildings, some just nice images that people would like to use, or maybe that there's a use for them, right? So nice buildings or some panorama, or, you know, sunsets, all stuff like this. And if you live outside of the city, just, you know, just go with nature. There's a number of different ways you can take these photos. You don't need to be a professional photographer. You don't need to know anything about Photoshop. You know, essentially all you need is a camera and a nice picture, and you know, you can make money just by simply uploading these images to these websites that I'm going to show you. And you know, just go through these websites and see what kind of images people are selling, and you know, you're gonna get a ton of creative ideas on how you can make or take these photos, right? So again, you don't need to be a professional photographer or anything like this. All you need is a camera or just a good smartphone with a good camera, and you can just upload these pictures and make between $5 and $500 per image. Okay, so the number 1 website is alamy.com. So as you can see, obviously this is a stock photo website, and if you're gonna click on right here on sell images, this will bring up this page, and essentially you're gonna have to obviously sign up. Essentially you can send them anything, a good percentage and non-exclusive contracts, and they get dedicated sales teams around the world to sell these for you. So you know, just click on the, as you can see, sell images right here, and you know, just go through this. All you have to do is take a great photo, upload the image. In 24 hours your image will be available, and then customer's license can be created, and then they will pay you immediately. Okay, so this is the number 1 website you can use. The number 2 is fotolia.com, and you know, the same thing here. Just click on sell images. This will bring up this page, and as you can see, you can reach millions of buyers, upload your images with ease, watch your sales grow. Obviously you'll be making money per image. Now, if you have any questions, you know, you can go through all of this. You can essentially get started very fast. So this is the number 2 website. Number 3, you probably know this one, Getty Images. And again, you're gonna have to create a free account. You can go to let me see here. This is the one that I found. And you know, if you're gonna go to plans and pricing of Getty Images, this is actually pretty crazy because they are charging up to 175 euros per download of a small image. So I'm not sure how much are they paying out to creators, but even if it's 50%, then you can make amazing money. And obviously they got different prices for medium images, large images, HD images and videos, and also different packs. So just please go through it and you'll see a number of different ways you can make money with this. So that was number 3. Number 4, iStockPhoto.com. And again, this is another site that you can use. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Well, it says sell stock. This will bring up this one, work with us page. So obviously they work with award-winning photographers, illustrators, filmmakers, but if you have a good photo, we can send them your photos as well. All you have to do is click on apply right here, and they will check out your photo and see. Getty Images is I think the #1 website when it comes to buying and selling images, stock images online. So check it out, and there's a ton of money to be made on this one. Okay, so this was number 4. Number 5, we got CanStock Photo. Same exact idea. You're gonna have to sign up. Scroll to the bottom of the page, sell your images / clips. This will bring up this page, and all you have to do is create an account, complete an application, upload your photos, and earn a commission. And this one will earn you $5 for every 50 photos they will sell. This is not as professional as Getty Images, but if you are just starting out, if you are new to this, then $5 per 50 photos that you just snap, that's a pretty good deal. And they don't have to be professional. Keep that in mind. Number 6, it's dreamstime.com. Same exact idea. You'll be uploading your images. So I found this dreamstime.com/register page. All you have to do is obviously sign up, create your password, and then go from there. So that's my number 6 pick. And number 7, the last one, this is actually Shutterstock.com, and this is the exact same idea. They're selling stock images. All you have to do is create an account, and you can sell your work. So go to submit.shutterstock.com, and you can share your work and start earning. You can click on get started right here. As you can see, you can create, submit, get paid, refer. They already paid out more than $500 million, and they have a global community of people that work with them. They have a ton of resources and even a contributors app. So a ton of support on their part as well. So these are my top 7 websites. I'm sure that you can find more than these. These are my top 7. These are the ones that pay out the maximum. So between $5 and $500 per image. And again, you don't need to be a professional photographer. And if you live in a city that you have obviously an advantage, you just have to go downtown, start taking pictures. If you live outside of the city, just go and take some pictures of nature. And if you're sort of in the middle, you don't really have anything of nature around you, and you don't live in a big city, just get creative. You can just invent. Again, please go to gettyimages.com and just check out the pictures that they have here. Some of them are like highly edited with Photoshop. Some of them are super simple, like this guy riding a skateboard, or just a couple here, like with some shadows, or just a picture of a leaf here. So if you're just gonna get creative, then you can make a ton of money with these photos and images. And some of these websites also pay for videos. Okay, so if you would like to get creative with videos, then by all means you can do so as well. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please check out the links in the description for more resources for making money online and working from home. And the #1 link is my top resource, which will allow you to make hundreds of dollars per day on autopilot. And also, if you want to enter the $10 giveaway, please like this video, so subscribe to the channel. click on the bell notifications and also leave a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to. And right now, let's just check out who won the $10 from my last video. So let's just go to my last video. Okay, so this is my last video, how to make money on Twitter for free in 2019. You can go ahead and check out this video as well. So let's grab the URL, let's go to YouTube random comment picker and let's paste it in right here. Filter out the duplicate users, let's search. We have 25 unique comments and let's just pick a random one to see who won. Okay, so let's see who won the $10. Ray YouTube, interesting video, we'll try this soon, and he left his PayPal right here. So let's go ahead and send him $10. And again, if you want to win $10 just like Ray just did, go ahead and do these 4 things. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and also leave a comment with your PayPal email. Very, very important, so I actually know where to send the money to, okay? Okay, as you can see, I just sent $10. Congratulations, and I will see you in the next video. Please check out the rest of the free training videos because I'm always offering a ton of value. I hope you guys really enjoy these. And again, I will see you in the next one. Ciao.